Hi guys, welcome to another edition of our video at FOP Creators. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a gold effect, gold gradient color on Pixellab. So let's jump into the video. Now you open your Pixellab. Then I'm just going to write some text over here. I'm going to write gold, okay? I'll change the font or the size, okay? It's okay. And then the fonts for this text, so I'm going to change it. Let me just leave it this way, okay? And then the next thing, I'm going to bring in the color palette I'm going to be using. So I'm going to import it. So this is my color palette over here. Like so. So now let's get into the real work of today. So the next thing you are going to do is go to color for this, and then make sure you click have the gradients selected. Then the first thing here, you add a brown color here. So and then the next thing you're going to do, let me just be showing you what you are going to click. So you click on this color over here. So I'm just going to select the color picker. So this is the color picker here. I'm just going to use it on that palette over there. So this is it. So I'm going to pick this, and then I click OK, and then OK. So okay, so I'll select this as well. So the same, I'll do the same thing for it. So I select the color picker, so select the brown, and then you click OK. Now to add more of this anchor you see here, then you click on this option over here. You can see this plus here, plus it. So you click on it to add. You can see it add automatically when I click on that. So I'm going to be adding a very deep yellow color here over here. So I'm just going to click on this as well, this color. So use the color picker. So go to my color palette and I select the deep yellow over here, and then I click OK. Okay, you can see it's giving us a kind of a good gradient now. Okay, you can see. So I'm going to add this again. So you click on this add button again over here. So I'll click on it. So I'll make sure it comes over here. So I'm going to be selecting a very light yellow color for this. So and then I click on the color. So same process. This is the light color I'm going to be using. So this light yellow, click on it, and then you click on OK. Okay, you can see we are getting it already. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on this as well to add another thing. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on this color here, select this, and then the next thing you're going to do is select a very deep yellow color. So this is it over here. So you can see. So I think I'm going to be adding a very so I'm going to be adding something here. So I'm going to change this color to very shallow color. So it's okay. Um, okay. So yeah. So make it shallow, you can see. So, and then I'll make this one deep. This one to be deep. As for this, I'm going to make it a light yellow color. So use the color picker. And then the next thing now is to add yes, a shallow yellow color here. So click on the plus button as well, so you make sure it's here. Okay, make sure you position these things very well, so to get the right effect. So going to be a shallow color here. Now select the color palette, so and then this, and then having done this, then we'll begin to do some kind of changes over here. So you can see what I'm selecting here. So if you want to drag this gradient, this thing on this line, so you make use of this, so you can see. So you can select any option you like here. So once I select the one I like, so I'll just leave it that way. I think I'm somehow not convinced about what I'm getting here. So let me leave it this way. So you can see we actually got our good effect over here. So you can see this. So it's actually gold color over here. So I'm going to delete this color. Let me just do something more to this. So okay, you can see. So I think it's okay this way, so I'll delete this color palette. So I don't need it anymore. So I want you guys to see this gold effect very well, so I'm just going to give this background color some kind of a black color, so you guys see what I'm doing. So you can see this effect now. So it actually makes sense, so you can see. So this is a video on how you can make your own good color, so good gradients, using these steps and process that I mentioned in this video. So if you like this content, make sure you click on the like button, and then you click on the subscribe button to get more of this content. Thank you guys for watching.